Hello guys, welcome again. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Kranzle K1322TS, and I bought this pressure washer from Morman Obsessed Garage on Black Friday. So stay tuned, I want to open this bad boy up. Alright, this is the Kranzle K1322TS, and I purchased this from Obsessed Garage during the Thanksgiving Black Friday special, 10% off. So this is my first time buying a portable pressure washer. There you have it, the Kranzle K1322TS. Okay, what you see from the top, you got the unit here. Oh, look at that. It's a new design. The top has the new design. Alright, inside the box, what you find is your operator's manual. That thing is heavy. Weighs about 50 pounds, I think. As far as the wand goes, I bought that as a package. It came earlier, a shipment. I think it's a Morman wand, and I also bought the foam cannon, the PF22.2. So that's it, guys. It's really easy. And what I plan on doing with this, I plan on making a portable cart with my deionized water on it and the cox reel and a 50-foot cable for my pressure washing hose. Alright guys, now take a look at this. I got a clutch welding cart from Northern Tools, and I got my Jet 50-footer with the cox reel and the deionizer right there. I still need to hook that up. Morman spray wand. I got the Prolox extension cord and a Morman spray gun there with the Kranzle, the new cover, the Kranzle K1322TS, the total stop system. Let me hook this bad boy up. Alright, this is going to be my first time starting this Kranzle, so I gotta remember how I hook this up. This is a Flexzilla hose, bright neon green. Quick disconnects here. Alright, so this gotta go to the feed point of the pressure washer. That means I need to have a quick disconnect. Be right back. I need to get a quick disconnect for this. There it is. A quick disconnect. You got all this stuff, the quick disconnects on Amazon. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect that to my flex hose. Flexzilla. Connect it right here. I already have a fitting for that. Now the cox reel is mounted, however the Kranzle is not. I mounted it sideways like this so that I can have access to the on and off switch, and also the fan on the inside can cool. I saw another post on the Obsessed Garage where the fella had his Kranzle facing this way with the on and off switch right here. But I found out that it's really hard for me to access the quick disconnect connections. this here is an extension from the hose reel to the Kranzle, the output, and I put quick disconnects on those as well. Okay, those are connected. Let me show you. There's the connections right there. A quick disconnect right there, and for the Flexzilla hose, the quick disconnect there. Okay, now I'm going to run the power cord. You need to have a 20 amp power supply, no, 20 amp circuit breaker for this electric pressure washer. I like these Pro locks. They have a nice glow to it to let you know that there's live power. Okay, that's hooked up. The sun is setting pretty fast here in Florida. Alright, this is the bypass. That's there, that's hooked up. Gun. I'll loosen this up so I can spin freely. Spasmatic. Quick disconnect. Alright. I like this cart because it has, this is a bungee that I was going to use to tie the deionizer to the back of the cart, but the bungee cord broke. But I like this welding cart because you have hooks here or storage, so you can store your hose or your electrical cord. Okay, that's all connected. Energize the water. Water is energized. The hose are filling. All right. Look at that swivel action, huh? Swivel. Nice and easy swiveling. All right, I'm going to bleed all the air out of the line. There it is. Check that out. All right. .50-foot Cobra jet line. All the air is out. Alright, this is my first time starting this bad boy, the Kranzle K1322TS. Power switch is on. Nothing happens. Let me double check the circuit breaker. Alright, let's double check the circuit breaker on this. And I just reset it, hope that works. It's all primed. I like that swivel action. That swivel's so easy. There you go. Still not a connections there. Maybe I need to. There you go. Tighten this down. Yeah, it was already on. So here it is. Nice and quiet. Well, there you have it. I got the new Kranzle hooked up on the clutch welding cart, along with the Cox reel, Cobra jet, and some Flexzilla hose, along with a deionizer. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like, and share. This is Captain Darren signing out. Have a great day.